team, in this video we will be analyzing and forecasting the market for gold from a technical and fundamental perspective. First, beginning with the video, first coming on to the yesterday's forecast, we have given forecast to go long some around 1836 to some around 1832. The market did show us the bullish momentum as predicted, and we did see this particular bullish momentum. Our first take profit or our final take profit, according to me, should be placed some around 1856, as we can see that the market would or market could see a correction due to the current fundamentals. However, uh, thus, any trader who have taken long position currently on the gold should, for on in safe side to come on in safe side, should close their long position and could reopen their buy if the market did closed above some around 1862, as this will predict that we will see more bullish momentum coming into the market. However, currently the fundamentals as Biden, as on 20 January, the Biden is taking the US presidency and the takeover of the White House. This is a very bullish news for the USD, due to which we can see that the dollar could show us a rally upwards in a bullish momentum, due to which, as gold being an inverse of the dollar, thus we can see a bearish momentum entering into gold. And furthermore, we can see that the gold is currently trading within its resistance zone of some around 1855, due to which we can see, or we can particularly assume that if the dollar continues its bullish momentum due to the new president taking its charge today on 20 January, on which I am very firm that the dollar would show us a strong momentum, due to which we can particularly assume that we can see a bearish momentum into the gold, bearish momentum entering into the gold, and we can see a retest towards this particular resistance area of some around 1831. Now, coming on to the trading opportunities, what we are looking for the market for the gold for 20 and 21 January is that we would wait for the market to either show us a bullish or a bearish momentum. If the market did closed above this particular resistance area, or the market closing above on in 4 hourly or on in day chart or above 1864, that would be a very bullish sign for the gold, and the traders who have closed their long position can reopen their bar position, as this would be a more safer sign. Do keep in mind, we will only trigger long position if we see that on in 4 hourly or on in day chart we see a closing above on in gold above 1864. That would be our entry trigger point, and our stop losses would be placed just below the support zone some around 1851, with our entry trigger point of some around 1864. With our take profit of this particular resistance zone, this trade will give an extra reward of approx 1 ratio 1 ratio 2.79. Now, coming on to the bearish scenario, is that if we did see that the market isn't able to close above this particular resistance zone, or the market isn't able to close, or the market is showing choppy momentum, just market closing in this particular area on an 4 hourly or on a day chart, that would initially indicate that the market have lost its bullish momentum which we have seen, or market making a fake breakout above this particular resistance zone. By saying fake breakout, I mean that if the market did went up some around 1862 to 1885, however, After 1 or 2 hours, market did return back towards this particular zone of 1858 to 1852 and closed there. That would be a very bearish sign and would indicate that the market is just making a fake breakout and the sellers have taken the position in the market. Thus, that would be a great sign to go short for the market, with our entry to go point would be just below this particular resistance zone of somewhere around 1849, with our stop losses would be placed just above the resistance zone of somewhere around 1860, and our take profit would be placed on this particular resistance zone, a particular support zone, which is in range of some around 1834 till 1828. This trade will give an extra reward of approx 1 ratio 1.5. If you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing. If you like the video, do like, share and comment below. Thanks for watching.